Well, if you're someone who fears going to the dentist, relax. You are not alone. A lot of people have that dental phobia. It's real. In fact, over 50% of people have not been to the dentist in years because of it. At Troy Family Dental in Troy, Illinois, they offer an option for those that fear the chair. Here to tell us more is Dr. Jordan Spencer. How could you be afraid of this man? Look at that face. How could you fear that face? Welcome back to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Glad you're here. Let's talk. Can we talk first about that part of it, the pain part of it, and sedation dentistry, and what a turning point this has been for a lot of clients and patients?
There's so many people that are so fearful of going, and they just don't go. Like, they'll go 10, 15 years without going to the dentist, and then they have a million problems. And so,
but there are just certain parts of us that our eyes, our mouths, other places that we don't like people going in there and looking around.
Exactly.
It makes you nervous. So it's nice to be able to take a nice nap.
Yeah, I lay down in the chair and get some good medicine, and then you wake up and it's done.
That's right.
Yep.
Who's a good candidate for this?
Really, anyone. I mean, we have a CRNA, a nurse anesthetist, that comes in and evaluates the patient, makes sure that they're a safe candidate, and they'll take care of their safety while we're taking care of the dentistry. So
this is somebody that specializes on
Correct.
that. It's not just you saying, that ought to do it.
Nah.
That ought to put you out for a little while.
I'll focus on the teeth.
Okay, let's talk about the practice, because we have dental implants, we have mini dental implants, something else that technology-wise we have turned a big corner in this kind of application.
Yeah, so here we're going to talk about mini implants, because a traditional denture just sits on the bone and the gums and flops around. You know, you cough and it comes out, or you lift your tongue and it comes out. So we use mini implants, which is a much smaller, less invasive implant than a regular implant, to hold dentures in place. We'll put an attachment into the denture, and then your lower denture can just snap right in.
And one of the things that you need to understand at home is, if you've already had these dentures made, we're not talking about making new dentures. You're taking your dentures and applying them and attaching them with the mini dental implants.
Yeah, if they're still in good shape.
Right.
I mean, if they had them 10 years, you know, they may not.
Right.
For an upper denture, though, we can actually remove the palate out of the denture, so you can taste your food again. There's like 10,000 taste buds up in the roof of the mouth, and so we'll remove that, put the implants, and then that will snap in on the top. So no goo, gloop, goop and glue.
Goop and glue.
Yeah, that you have to put up there anymore.
Sure.
So then you can do full function. A regular denture, you probably only have like 10% biting function of your regular teeth. Once you put these implants in, it goes up to 70, 60, 70%.
So you can eat an apple, you can eat corn on the cob, they stay in, but if they had to come out, it's a pretty simple procedure for you to do.
You just snap them in.
Snap them out.
Yeah.
All right.
You can also get this kind, which
so
is
now we're not talking about full-on dentures, are we? We're talking about...
Yeah, this is just a porcelain bridge that can actually snap onto the implants. So there's no plastic all around here, and this is really the closest you'll get with mini implants to feeling like you have your own teeth again. Probably up to more like 80%.
Yeah, and you've talked about how it's less invasive and the recovery time is lower. The time you have to spend doing this is less, so it's going to be a cheaper option in many cases. Yeah,
there's definitely a benefit to this, because it's probably half the cost of getting the kind that screws in permanently.
There you go.
Yeah.
And we've said this over and over. I know you don't want to hear it again, but there's such nice people up there. We're talking about Troy Family Dental in Illinois now. They're located at 606 Edwardsville Road in Troy. Are you sure it's not 606 Troy Road in Edwardsville?
I know, I don't get that.
It's Edwardsville Road in Troy. Okay, this is Troy Family Dental in Illinois. For more information, visit troyfamilydental.com or call 618-477-8421. Friendliest office you'll ever go in.